Dooby-dooby-doo, where are you? We got some work to do now.
This is Tony Bad Productions.
Hello, Spectrum. I am Count Zacula,
And I'm Michael Jordan.
and this is the scariest edition of Noise News. More important than Noise News, I am coming to suck your blood.
Well, Count Zacula, there's actually a blood drive that is coming up November 6th from 8 to 1 p.m. You need to sign up the week before in order to be a part of this blood-sucking event.
Wow, I can't wait. I'll be counting down the days. It may be Halloween tomorrow, but Spectrum students are able to haunt the hallways today with their spooky costumes.
Costumes must follow the school dress code. Hats and wigs are allowed. Happy haunting today.
Now rolling over to Max Storm for some scary sports.
Hey, whammy! This week there aren't any sports. The fall season is winding down. However, winter sports is just starting up. Come to the winter sports meeting on Monday, November 2nd. If you're interested in basketball, wrestling, cheer, or dance. Back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Maxwell Storm. The students of the month were Kelton Sundstrom and Holly Johnson. Congrats, guys.
Thanks for watching the Halloween edition of Noise News. This show has been brought to you by the number 1, 2, and 3. Happy Halloween, Spectrum.